PiSoWorks software has built-in functionality that smooths an actuator's movement over a given time. To use this function, go to the setst inputs area and enter the target position and the time that it should take. In this example, 75 stands for the set point, open loop dash voltage, closed loop dash micrometers. 0.06 stands for 60 milliseconds. Remember to transmit the changes after your modifications by clicking the Transmit button in the bottom right of the control screen. Once the jump was successful, you can view the measured and desired set points graphically. As can be seen at 60 milliseconds, the actuator's smooth curve was automatically derived by the software and sent to the controller and was executed. In another example, this time using 30 milliseconds, we should smoothly move the actuator to the 25th micrometer distance. The actuator has moved in under 30 milliseconds to the desired point.